Out here on another beautiful sunny day looking for hail. So I've got pea size, maybe marble at best, but I'm seeing a lot of granule loss on the shingles. So my aluminum cap shows pea size to marble size. My steel box vent shows nothing. But look at the granule loss here. Now you might be thinking to yourself, boy, maybe it got hit by hail and they replaced the accessories. More seasoned guys might be thinking, boy, that's an old roof. But the real seasoned guys, the guys out there that call themselves the experts and actually mean it and know it to be true, look at that granule loss. But look at how wide it is. Look at the oxidation levels of it. What you've got here, this is going to be, that's all kind of the first hint. The second hint, this roof is only 2.5 years old. 2.5 years old. So if it's not hail, and if it's only 2.5 years old, what could possibly have done this? Well, it's Tamko. It's Tamko. This is what a Tamko shingle looks like out here. It's, here's kind of evidence of that. Coil nails. Come on, focus. Coil nails. Look at the copper. Look at the amount of rust on them. That hasn't been exposed for 3 years. No way. There's a ton of them sitting on the ground. Here's another one. There's no way that's been exposed for 3 years. So yeah, this is what Tamko does. I won't say every roof, but this is one of the most common defects known in the industry. To the point where, but the thing you can always see is that ridge was put on the same as the field. That ridge looks brand new. It doesn't even look 2 years old, frankly. Look at that field. Look at that quality. And so this has been a popular argument I've seen recently about, Tamko quality. This is what we've come to expect.